Here's a real life lesson about planting fruit or vegetables from seed from items that you got from the grocery store. Now, years ago, my wife was eating muscadines that she had bought from the local grocery store. She took some seeds, put them in a pot, planted them. And now, years later, we have this huge plant. That was probably about 3 or 4 seeds, so it's not necessarily just one plant. But as you can see, it's huge. But the lesson is what came off of these seeds or these different plants. This is one of the types of muscadines that we got. These guys here will get a little darker. And actually, this one here isn't quite ripe. It will get darker, completely like the dark side here. And they taste really good. They don't get super big, but they get, decent size. But as I go around the plant, I see other types of muscadines. There's a type here which looks pretty similar to what she was actually eating. They look like this. Now this one's not quite ripe, and the longer I leave them on the vine, these will get bigger. This one will probably be 50% bigger if I check back in another month. They're very sweet, but just goes to show you, just because you're planting the seed from something that you got from the grocery store, it doesn't mean that you're going to get what you thought you were going to get. In fact, the lighter green ones like this are much better than the darker ones. So don't expect to get what you grow. You might end up getting what you grew. But let's get out there and get a little dirty. Say hi, guys. It's starting to rain, so